All right, former NBA star Dwanye Wade is coming to the defense of Lil Nas X, sharing words of support for the Old Town Road rapper after he received some hate for confirming his sexuality over the weekend. On Tuesday, the rap star posted a sad cowboy emoji with the caption, "Say one more homophobic thing to me." Wade replied to that post with a comment saying, "Focus on all the good in your life. Don't allow these fools to get to you. It's a lot of us out here proud of who and what you represent." He ended the comment with a fist pump emoji. Now, Wade was not the only celeb to show Lil Nas X some love. Shangela from RuPaul's Drag Race also replied to the thread saying, quote, "Be proud of you, all parts of you. I'm proud of you, XO." Meanwhile, Diplo also chimed in with words of support, writing, we love you though." And Miley Cyrus is sticking up for the 20-year-old rapper as well, posting a photo of herself with Lil Nas X earlier this week, writing, "So proud of my baby brother," followed by rainbow and heart emojis. Now, she ended the message saying, "In your corner forever, my friend." The rapper also had a cheeky message for his haters on Tuesday, tweeting, quote, "Next bleep to say something offensive to me, getting kissed." So there you go.
Still kind of has a sense of humor about things.
Taking it in stride to
I hate
some
that he's
part,
getting a lot of backlash for that, and it's great that a lot of celebs are rushing to support him publicly.
Yeah, the support group's definitely there.